In an unexpected twist in the Delhi Assembly elections, voters have made a bold statement, choosing the none of the above NOTA option over two national political parties. With NOTA securing 0.57% of the vote share, it actually beat out both the Bahujan Samaj Party, which got 0.55%, and the Communist Party of India Marxist, which only managed a mere 0.01%. Introduced in 2013 following the Supreme Court's directive in the People's Union for Civil Liberties versus Union of India case, NOTA was added to electronic voting machines as an option for voters who did not wish to vote for any candidate, allowing them to express their dissatisfaction without revealing their identity. In this recent election, NOTA outperformed not just BSP and CPIM, but even other smaller parties like CPI and JDU, who garnered over 0.01% and 0.53% of the vote share respectively. Out of a total voter list of 1.55 crore, over 94 lakh people cast their votes, with a 60.54% turnout. And while NOTA may have gained some attention, it's important to note that despite its share, it doesn't change the election outcome. Here is how it works. Even if NOTA gets the most votes, it doesn't affect the winner. The candidate with the second highest votes is declared the victor. So, while NOTA may not have changed the outcome in Delhi, it's definitely showing that voters want to be heard loud and clear. For more current affair updates for all competitive exams, install Daily Bytes app.